Hey, this is Robert, and I am letting you know that I will be in the Denver, Colorado area this weekend, the 10th, all day the 11th, and the morning of the 12th. We will be having a Robert DIY meet and greet at Dynamic Imports. It's somewhere around Lloyd's or something like that, Colorado, just north of the Denver, Colorado area. You can get the details in the comment section of this video. So we'll be there, meet and greet, hanging out, telling Volvo stories. May have some giveaways if some vendors have sent a few things. Just have some fun, good time. We will start at 6 p.m. at that shop. So if you want to come by, have your car looked at, hang out, meet and greet, meet other Volvo folks, please come. And I haven't been in the Denver area before. This is my first time there. Right now we probably have about 20 people that will attend. Be excited to see you. If you want to pre-register, let me know. Send me a text or an email, and I will forward that to the host of the meet and greet. So thanks for tuning in. That is going to be this weekend, Denver, Colorado area, May 11th, 6 p.m. 2019. Thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you there.